Hello, everyone. I'm Anna from Sylvia. Today's guest picked one of the trickiest niches for his e-commerce business. So, could you please introduce yourself and tell a bit about your story?
My name is Gar Lee, and I'm originally from Seattle, Washington. That's where I went to school, born and raised. On my free time, I like to play basketball. I love to be outdoors. Yeah, I enjoy snowboarding and scuba diving, all kinds of things.
Why and how did you start an online business?
Well, being online is very liberating. I can work anywhere as long as I have Wi-Fi. I can choose my own hours. Um, and again, yeah, like I like snowboarding. So just last month, I was in Canada to go snowboarding. And then currently, right now, I'm in Thailand to do more scuba diving. So
Wow,
having,
that's
yeah, having
amazing.
this online business, I can do what I want. And it's why I did it. Yep.
So, did you have any business experience before you launched a Sylvia store?
Yeah. I've been in e-commerce for about 8 years now. I've done drop shipping and I've done Amazon stores, eBay stores, and I love it. So when I came across Sylvia, it interested in me, and here I am giving it a shot.
So, why did you switch to Sylvia?
Sylvia, the attractive point was that it would be based in the US. I'm in the US, and my customers are in the US. Um, and I like that Sylvia is also based in the US, especially for drop shipping. A lot of issues that I face with previous drop shipping businesses is that they ship from overseas. So when your customer places an order, they don't receive it until way later. The
Yeah.
solution with Sylvia, yeah, the solution with Sylvia is that like a customer can get your order within a few days, and that's very attractive.
So, do you run like other stores right now? Like not only Sylvia store?
Yeah, I do. I still have my Amazon business, and I still sell sometimes on eBay. Um, I have Shopify and that kind of stuff as well. So
Okay. So do you remember your first sale online?
yeah, my first sale online or my first sale on Sylvia?
No, just online.
Just online. Yeah, I do remember. This is yeah, when I first started. So yeah, funny story. I lived in Taiwan for a while, and one of my good friends, their family, they grow tea, and I was thinking, all right, well, maybe I can buy some of their tea, bring it to the U.S., and try and sell some tea in the U.S. And it was a very tough first sale, to be honest.
Oh,
I tried to sell, targeting like, old people, young people, and try to target like health people, or try to, I just trying to find like my customer. And there were a lot of failures before I got my first sale. But I think it was a very important experience, is that, yeah, um, yeah, just try everything. And maybe,
yes.
you'll find something that works.
What can you tell us about managing your e-commerce business on a daily basis, including
Daily,
Sylvia?
yeah. Well, firstly, I always check messages to see if, there's customer complaints or inquiries or questions. Ultimately, customer is most important, right? So if they reach out to you, make sure that, you respond to them and you address their concerns, regardless of whether it's Salvia or wherever. Yeah, you have a reputation to keep, right? So you want to make sure that, you take care of your customers. So daily, that's what I do first. Um, Secondly, what else? Yeah, of course, you try to be profitable, right? So I always review my ads, make sure, I keep the ones that are doing well and turn off the ones that aren't doing so well. Even the ads themselves, they can be, fine tuned so they perform better. there's always room for improvement there. So
Definitely.
yeah, and then but every day as days go by, you collect more and more data, and then with the data, you try and make things better. So I do that as well. And I also do like inventory management. I try to make sure that my products are stocked as much as they can be. Yeah, so that I don't lose out on sales, and I make sure I'm stocked. So
Yeah, that's right. So how exactly are you promoting your stores? What promo channels do you use?
yeah, again, try everything, right? I think each product, some products sell better on Facebook, some products sell better on Instagram, or some products sell better with email. I don't really think there's one right way to promote your store.
That's right.
Yeah. And even then, I don't even think there's like one right way to promote your product, right?
Yes.
Like,
Yes.
yeah. So, how exactly am I promoting my store? I just try everything. And yeah, sometimes things don't work, but sometimes things do. And I mean, it's all part of it.
Is there some essential tip you would like to give someone who has just started their own e-commerce business?
Yeah, I think again, like it's a process. So don't expect to be like super profitable immediately. Like it's almost unrealistic to think that way. So for someone who just started their business, they need to understand that like, yeah, again, the first sale might not come until way later, right? And then even then, like your profits might not even come until way later. Um, so I just say, yeah, don't get discouraged. Like keep going. Um, yeah, be open, creative, try new things, and don't be discouraged if things like don't look so good in the beginning, because it's natural, and it'll happen.
Well, actually, I believe that you can become someone's inspiration, even though they might not consider only sell their website for their business, but just e-commerce business. I believe that everyone should give this business a chance. And your lifestyle, it's perfect, as I think.
Yeah,
I,
no, it's
I'm
great.
sure that, yeah.
Like ever since I graduated university, I knew I wanted to get into entrepreneurship. I value my time. Like I love being flexible. Um, yeah, I don't want to be tied down, right? I want to do the things that I want to do, and um, being in online business allows me to do that. So, yeah.
So what are your plans for the future?
For the future, well, yeah, I mean, I've been in the business for 7, 8 years now, but I still know that I have a lot to learn. Like, and also the world of e-commerce is always changing. So going forward, I plan to maybe start more businesses, exploring new things like Sylvia, different, e-commerce solutions. Just always try to continue learning. Yeah, just got to keep learning. Try new things. I just keep saying try new things, and that's what I'll continue doing.
Yeah, I agree. Thank you a lot for this interview.
Absolutely. Thank you.